Namaste. So today's topic in pathophysiology is alcoholic liver disease. So let's start. Alcoholic liver disease, in short, we can call it as ALD. The term that encompasses the liver manifestation of alcohol overconsumption, including fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and chronic hepatitis with liver fibrosis or cirrhosis. It may well represent the oldest form of the liver injury known to humankind. Many people with alcoholic disease experience no symptoms in the early stage of the disease. So, let's see how much of alcohol causes liver damage. Consumption of 60 to 80 gram per day means about 75 to 100 ml per day for 20 years or more in men. Consumption of 20 gram per day, about 25 ml per day for women, significantly increase the risk of liver damage. Women have the double risk of getting ALD when compared to men. Next, let's see the metabolism of alcohol. So you can see here the cycle in which the ethanol, which is the alcohol, is oxidized to aldehyde, and by the catalysis, then the aldehyde is again dehydrogenated and converted into acetic acid, and then by acetyl coenzyme A synthesis, acetic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Then acetyl coenzyme A enters and again converted into acetic acid. Means it's entered in the acetic acid cycle and then it again converted. So here the ATP is released and carbon dioxide is released. So this is the normal metabolism of alcohol. %80 of alcohol passes through the liver to be detoxified. Chronic consumption of alcohol result in the secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokinins, you can see, and oxidative stress is increases, lipid peroxidation take place, and acetyl aldehyde toxicity increases. Now the risk factor: quantity of alcohol taken, consumption of 80, as I told you, 80 to 60 to 80 gram per day for 20 years in men, and it is more significant in women, and increase the risk of hepatitis and fibrosis by 7 to 47%. Then pattern of drinking outside of meal time increases up to 3 times the risk of alcoholic liver disease. And then gender, as I told you, women are twice as susceptible to alcohol related liver disease and may develop alcoholic liver disease with shorter duration and dose of chronic consumption. Then hepatitis C infection, a hepatitis C infection significantly accelerate the process of liver diseases. Then genetic factor also क्या कहते हैं, increase both of the alcoholism and the alcoholic liver disease. So these are the factor. Iron overloaded means hemochromatosis. Diet means malnutrition, particularly vitamin A and vitamin E deficiency can worsen the alcoholic induced liver damage by preventing regeneration of hepatocytes. Then what is the symptoms vary based on how bad the disease is. You may not have symptoms in the early stage. Symptoms tend to the worst after a period of heavily drinking. Means in the starting point the patient do not show any symptom, but if it continue the consumption of alcohol for a long time, then the situation get worse, and after the worst situation the patient give the symptoms. So digestive symptoms included pain and swelling in the abdomen, decreased appetite and weight weight loss, vomiting and nausea is so common, fatigue, dry mouth, increased thirstiness, bleeding from enlarged vein in the wall of the lower part of the esophagus. Next, skin problem. So in skin such as the skin become jaundice, means yellow color skin, mucous membrane or eye become yellow, then red spider like veins on the skin, very dark or pale skin, redness on the feet or hand, itching also start. Then brain and nervous system symptoms include problem with thinking, memory and mood, fainting and headness, numbness in the legs and feet. So these are the stages of the liver damage. First you can see the healthy liver, then the healthy liver is converted the fatty liver, means the weight is increases, uh, deposition of fat start, due to which the enlargement of liver happens. Then liver fibrosis, scar tissue form, then cirrhosis, the growth of connective tissue, destroyed liver cells. So what is the pathophysiology? So pathophysiology we can study in the next lecture. So thank you. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.